Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain how to create the assembly model of sleeve and cotter joint from its part models using SolidWorks. We have already created the three part models: sleeve, shaft and cotter. To begin the assembly, go to New, select Assembly and click on OK. I select here sleeve, which will act as the base part. Open and click. Now under assembly, go and click insert components, and you may call upon the second part now. I call here shaft. Click. Go to mate, select this surface and the mid plane of sleeve. To select the mid plane of sleeve, go to sleeve, open the tree and select the front plane. Okay, you can see in the top view clearly this surface and the mid plane are coinciding each other. Now click on the tick mark. Alright. Now click on concentric, select this cylindrical surface and this internal cylindrical surface. This part is coincide properly, meaning the assembly of these two are done correctly. You can even verify by seeing this slot. Now we'll call the second part. Under assembly, click on insert components. Now we'll insert the cotter. Click on cotter file and click on open. The object is here. Now we may click on mate and select coincident. Now we have to select two faces. Now we may select the planes, go to sleeve and select the top plane. Similarly, go to cotter and select the top plane. Now these two planes are coinciding with each other. This means that the cotter is positioned exactly in the mid plane of the sleeve. Click on OK. Next, we select on coincident and select this line, okay, this edge and the edge inside. Now the cotter pin is positioned correctly. Now we have to insert a shaft here and cotter pin here. Instead of doing separately, we can mirror the shaft and the cotter so that they will be added here. For that, select cotter and shaft by pressing Ctrl key. These two are selected now. Now go to linear component pattern. Under that there is an option mirror components. Click on it. Cotter and shaft are already selected. Now we have to select a mirror plane. To select the mirror plane, go to sleeve and then select the front plane. Click on it and click on OK. These two are mirrored here. Now the assembly of cotter pin is complete. Thank you.